Hi, Matt Forbes with Auto Hail HQ located right here in Carrollton, Texas. In one of the earlier videos, I talked a little bit about how your policy works in regards to filing a claim when your car's been damaged by hail. There's a couple things that are important to remember, and there's a lot of misinformation out there. Typically, a hail claim is going to go under your comprehensive policy. Your comprehensive policy is there to ensure you have coverage against acts of God, a theft of a vehicle, vandalism, or in our case, typical thunderstorms that we get where we have hail and wind damage. Now again, a comprehensive claim is considered a no-fault claim. So you're really not at fault for anything that happened. Therefore, your premiums are not at risk to go up if you file a claim. And just to give you some background on that, the only way that insurance companies can increase premiums in the state of Texas is go through the State of Texas Insurance Commission. They have to do it on an annual basis. They have to apply for it 6 months out. It's something you see in the newspaper or even see on the news or even on the internet. That company at that time has to go before the Insurance Commission and ask for a premium increase. They can't just put a premium increase on your vehicle or your neighborhood. They typically have to go after a geographical area. Now, going after a geographical area brings in a lot of other elements, but the one main thing to consider is this, is that in the last 3 years, none of the major insurance companies have went before the Texas Insurance Commission asking for a rate increase. So it's pretty indicative that moving forward, we probably won't see many people do it as we go into the future because the insurance market in Dallas is so competitive. So if you have comprehensive insurance on your vehicle and you've had hail damage, odds are you can file a claim and there won't be any increase in your premiums and we can keep your out-of-pocket expense to zero. Again, I'm Matt Forbes with Auto Hail HQ, where we take pride in your ride.